In this guide, I'll show you how to unlink your Fortnite account from your Epic Games account. This method works on console, PC, and mobile devices. First, open any web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Epic Games Login and hit search. From the results, click on the option to sign in to your Epic Games account. Once you're on the login page, sign in using your email and password, or choose one of the available platform login options. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Linked Accounts. Here you'll see all the platforms connected to your Epic Games account, as well as options to link new ones. To unlink an account, select the platform you want to remove, for example, PlayStation Network, and click on Unlink. A warning message will appear, so make sure to read it carefully. Then, check all the required boxes and confirm the unlink process. If Fortnite is currently open on your device, close the game and restart it. When you launch it again, you'll be prompted to link a different Epic Games account or skip the process. That's it. If this guide helped you, you're all set.